Yeah, what's up everyone, Project Moto here. Beautiful day today. Today we're going to be unboxing a bike. It's quite a special bike, limited number. It's the yellow Bagnaia Panigale Replica. So yeah, let's crack on with the video. But first, let's have a look. Look, man, this is probably one of my all-time favourite Ducatis. 1299 Panigale R final edition. I'm going to get Liam to start this up because the sound of this bike. Oh, there's Liam now. Liam, there's the Bagnaia bike in the crate. He's smiling at that. Liam.
It's a Power 5, it's the old style, Power 6, so the new one.
It's a 5, yeah.
Go for 5, yeah. So
Liam's so clever. You got the final edition key? Seriously, I know you're a Panigale owner, Liam, but this,
it is beautiful.
just listen to it.
I can't see.
It is bright out here today, isn't it? I'm glad you're wearing shorts. It's already warm because I've just ridden it.
I can feel it.
Seriously,
I can only imagine what that's like riding.
when
down
you
the road.
ride it. Oh, because you rode the other final edition, didn't you?
I did.
Without the system.
Yeah.
But seriously, as I come down there was a guy cutting the grass with headphones on and he stopped and looked round. Oh, that's so cool.
It is a beautiful looking bike.
Well, they're stiffer than the V4, definitely.
Oh, 100%.
Man, it just sounds like you're on a fighter plane or something. Nick,
You reckon that?
being a Diavel owner now, you like a big twin cylinder, don't you? Your Diavel sounds nice though, doesn't it?
Sounds epic, to be fair. I went out on it yesterday and just when you learn where the points are where you'll get the noises, it works really nice. When you go past cars as well, there's a little point where you can go past a car and do a certain thing and you get a bang.
Yeah.
Start becoming a menace.
Yeah. Seriously, I overtook a couple of cars on that and they must have thought a Spitfire was about to crash into them or something.
I've said it from the start, that's got to be one of my favourite looking Panigales made.
I think it's in my top 3 bikes. It's definitely in my top 3.
It's a lovely colour bike.
How was it, Mark?
They're brilliant. They're literally, when you're on it, you feel like Superman. I feel like what Liam must feel like in the morning when he gets out of bed. When he gets out of bed and he's got all the cape wrapped round him.
It's too small for him, look.
It is small.
It's too small for him.
They're smaller, they're thinner
Much
than a
smaller than a
V4.
Panigale. It's looking hot, this.
Yeah, it got hot.
Bike is hot.
Man, look at the weather, Nick.
I'm actually burning my leg on the frame there.
Burned him, it's not even on yet.
Yeah. So some lucky guy's having this. Is he coming to collect it?
No, delivered. And we'll be getting another one in.
Are we?
Yeah.
With a system?
3
With a system.
3 1299 final
Nice
editions.
1,000 miler again.
I have no idea why anyone sold one of these. What are they going to change it for?
And the best thing about that, it's done some miles, so you can just ride it. You ain't got to worry about it's going to lose its value. Just ride. Just stop
colour
worrying
of the
about value,
exhaust.
innit, Mark?
That's what it's there for.
Look at the colour of the exhaust, isn't it?
And you know, them pipes, so do they sit a bit lower on the 1299 wheelbarrow?
Yeah.
I actually think that looks nicer like that.
Yeah, they're a bit lower and they're a lot flatter, aren't they? The bore of that is a lot wider, isn't
Oh
it?
yeah, look, the other one sits right up on the tailpiece on them.
Yeah, so that's I know we're doing a Bagnaia unboxing, but we might as well look at these first. So that, oh yeah, it's a lot closer.
That does look smaller, but it looks everything. I don't know. It looks bigger in this section. It's got bigger midriff.
It's got a bit like me, Nick.
It's got a bit of a
bigger
belly.
midriff. While they're both here, let's get a key, the V4 versus the 1299, shall we? Man, they look so cool together, don't they? We might as well look at these Panigales. We're about to unbox a Panigale. V4R, they are so cool. Look at that.
Dry clutch. He's had carbon wheels put on there.
Yeah,
That's
it's got
extra.
carbon wheels on it.
Look at that, man.
Right, first off, Liam, let's start the V4 up. The
They're
V4R.
warm before we rev.
Yeah, a little bit more. Right, let's see this. Unique.
Here we go.
that's. I think this is louder.
Oh, 100%. That's louder.
That's louder.
Yeah.
The V4's got such a nice sound when it's revving, isn't it?
It does, and when you're actually on the bike,
Wow, that thunders.
when you're on the bike with the helmet on, even with a standard exhaust,
I love it.
Andy's eating already. What you got?
Same.
Ham and pickle.
Cheeky sandwich. Still got that's the old raw aggressive bit, power
Yeah,
delivery.
I like that. I like it. It just goes from nowhere.
It wants to kill you all the time.
Yeah, that's the exciting thing about it.
Whereas a V4 sneaks up on you.
Yeah.
It's like a ninja.
Yeah, the V4's the ninja. This is just the assassin.
That's getting hit in the head with a blunt object, and the other one's getting your throat slashed from behind.
What a romantic evening you could have on them bikes. Yeah, cool. Right, we're going to unbox. Right, and this is what we're going to unbox. Do we know what tools we need, Liam? Right, yeah, so we have unboxed the other Bagnaia bike before, and the Bautista bike. We've got a Bautista bike over there. Right, because it's a sunny day, Liam wants a suntan. Because it's a big box, we've got to have Liam unboxing it today.
Yeah, you won't be able to see Paul otherwise.
Nah, Paul is standing behind the box, but quite handy with drilling.
And they call me the drill master.
Oh, here he is, look. I told you, look, just about see him under that box. Right, look at this weather.
What's happening out here?
We're unboxing.
I'll pick up the screws, shall I?
Yeah.
Can you reach them?
I can just reach if I jump. Look at this sunny day. We
Yeah, I
don't
know.
get many, do we?
Nah, you get suntan out here. It's
Yeah.
like being on holiday, isn't
Like
it? for
you,
you?
look how brown you are.
I know. Dylan just came back from
Which way we
Thailand
going?
and I was browning
Go
in
that
him.
way.
You ready?
Are we the right end? Obviously not. Oh, look, there's the bike.
Well, this is the screw man.
No, that's funny. You just said that. What do they call you? The screwer. Screw master, that's it. You don't need to go on a holiday now, do you?
Not today.
No. Look at this. Is it like this all week?
No, I think it's raining tomorrow.
Yeah, this is the
Oh,
week.
don't
isn't
say
it?
raining tomorrow. What have you done with them screws?
I've just dropped them on the floor near a tyre.
There's Earl over there, look.
Yeah, I've seen her.
The Earl stuff.
Say hello.
It's still probably one of my favourite YouTube videos, that with that woman in that car
that was
park.
funny, yeah.
That is a really good video.
What's
Earl, when he pulled up on his bike and this woman come up, she was either pissed or crackhead or something. And she's like, oh, nice bike, can I go on it? And all that. It's really fun to video. It's one of my favourite YouTube videos.
He's living with her now.
Oh, is he? Let's get the side off, see what happens.
mate.
Have you undone it all?
Sides off.
Look at that. I obviously can't really carry it holding this. My camera can't even focus on how blue it is. Man, so cool. Look at this. I bet you're glad you ain't having to do all the bending down, ain't you?
I'm very pleased about
You won't have to bend down.
Well, you're going to do the big reveal with this, are you?
You have to get that off first.
You grab the other top off.
Yes. That. I think I prefer the yellow to the red.
You see like a yellow Ferrari or something as well, isn't it? Nice.
Yeah.
You know, all the others are red, and then you see something like this that's so bright and different.
Yeah. There's the signature. What number is it? God, so bright. Number 79.
There is two holes.
Prefer it then red, don't you?
Yeah, it's a change, isn't it?
Yeah, we look at red bikes all day long, don't we, I suppose? I prefer all these painted wings now as well. They look better, don't they, painted?
Wow.
Nick, what do you think?
Wow. He's already said he doesn't like it.
Yeah, I said no, I don't like it.
Nah.
So
Wow.
If it was a Diavel in that colour, he'd love it.
What's there not to like about it? Wow.
Might have to get them from underneath as well, Liam.
From underneath?
Underneath is 17 or 19.
Ow. The floor there. Tallest person doing the
Yeah.
smallest top.
You could have probably just laid
Nick,
down
if
under that.
you walk underneath that for us, hold that right above your head, you'll get on the nut.
I could do the chicken limbo underneath that.
Yeah, it makes a change from them boring red ones, Liam.
Yeah.
I mean, who would buy one?
Yeah, I know, I've had it done. I've painted
Why
it
don't you
nice.
do it in like Project Moto colours or something? Right,
Class.
we're going to need a...
You're in charge of holding the bike and not dropping it now.
Oh my God.
I don't know, you're putting me under a lot of pressure here.
You alright? Look, why are you looking so nervous?
I don't know, I'm getting very tense here. It's on camera, I've got the owner here. It's all on me. Do you want me to do that part here?
And you're balancing on something to make it...
Yeah, I feel very high up here, Mark. I'm losing my balance. Feel slightly light-headed.
No pressure. It's gone dizzy.
What are we balancing on?
Nothing, you're holding it now.
You're joking. It's so well balanced. Look at that.
This is going to go.
Oh no. Don't
And now you've just got to wheel it off backwards.
No, I'm not doing that. You know what they say, Mike? You can't.
Right, it's all yours, Nick.
Is it all me?
Yeah. Yeah, all you got to do is go backwards, Nick.
Do you want me to do
He's
it?
the strong man.
Oh, that's good, Nick. Walk away, mate. Once you're 5 foot away,
It's
it's
not on
nothing
me
to do
now.
with you. Yes. Oh, here's Paul. Look, he missed the hard bit.
Just
All
in
yours,
time,
son.
mate.
Fancy one of them, El?
I fancy two of them. Oh, that is gorgeous.
First one to shake your hand.
Yeah.
Right, I fancy first ride.
I think when we deliver this, we'll just...
I know people like red jackets, but it does look nice.
I'm going to go back because I've got to have a lay down.
You're going to have a lay down now?
Yeah.
Why? Tired?
Sun,
Well,
tires
you
you
get
out.
the Sunlander out.
Have a few cocktails.
Oh, that's it. What do you reckon, Liam? Nice?
It's nice, isn't it?
The camera don't really show how yellow this is because it's so bright. There's a Bautista replica, V4S.
We've got some bikes in today, haven't we?
We have got some nice bikes here. So this is the replica of the Bagnaia bike. But we've actually got one of our customers has got a replica of a Bagnaia
Funnily
bike.
enough,
Funny enough, we've got someone with a replica of a replica. Right, so Paul had this painted by Gary at Spray Point, who painted my RGV 250. Oh my God, back a bit, Liam, back a bit, keep going. Oh yeah, so there's not really much difference between them at all, is there?
legally I prefer this one.
Illegally.
Legally I prefer that one.
Right, okay. Cody, what do you think? Look. Oh, these are sick. Cody likes these. I don't know if it can pick it up. It's quite a dark yellow, really. Yeah, so that's the replica. And that's the replica of the replica.
Replica.
Amazing.
Amazing bikes. Oh look, it's Paul. What are you doing? Where you been?
I've just woken up.
You look like you've just woken up. What's happened with your hands?
Been pickpocketing.
Right, so, Liam, that's the Bagnaia, the yellow Bagnaia bike.
The yellow 23 championship.
Yep, 23 championship winning. What was this? Misano or Mugello? Where did they use this? I'm going to say Misano. Where would you guess? This year they done Mugello.
Yeah.
I think that was Misano
Because they
bike.
did the same yellow in the...
Yep, so we've got the Bautista one there that we have done a video on. So, numbers of these?
263.
263. What?
Does it say that on there?
What number is this? 79.
79 out of 263. Lovely. Pecco's bike.
Pecco's bike. Yep, so it has got a signature on it.
I did that earlier.
Did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh, that ain't his signature.
No,
Oh,
I'll do them all.
It actually says Greg's. So these have,
Rear sets.
are they Rizoma?
Yep.
Are they Rizoma rear sets? The homologated Akrapovic.
Akrapovic.
Let's say
Akrapovic.
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 All of that's hard to say, isn't it?
No, it's hard to say how people like you to say it. Akrapovic. But we say Akrapovic.
We do. But you said homologated as well.
Homologated?
Yeah.
Yeah, is that right?
Yes, it is.
Carbon. We're not sure if that mudguard's carbon though, are we? Is that plastic or carbon?
Painted on the inside is plastic, yeah.
Painted wings, the different top yoke, adjustable brake fade, dry clutch, don't forget the dry
Dry
clutch.
clutch.
This cover, okay, and that little cover.
You get the seat.
Yeah, different seat.
Echo on it. Bit of red in the wheel.
Yeah. Right, so we say about the price.
Well, he
so that,
probably
hold on,
knows
they
the
was
prices,
56.
Don't you know?
I know
Right.
the prices.
The red one was 56.
Yeah.
How much do you reckon this yellow one is?
59. Is it more? How much more?
It's
Bit more.
66.
Is it really?
So the yellow paint's 10 grand. Over the red paint that was 30 grand.
Some bloke in a yellow paint factory laughing.
Yeah. So that's it. Do you like it though?
I do like it.
Good.
This
like
is
it.
the red.
Libby
colour.
over there hiding behind the thing. Do you like it?
This is
She
like the
loves
Superleggera red, though, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, that's the
That's
bit
the,
of an
the
orange.
red and orange.
I like that more now than I did when we first see it. Maybe
I was having this conversation with Jamie the other day. We were both looking at both of these.
I like this little star white bit on the front.
I really like that.
Why don't you have one of each?
Because I need you to win that to 180 million tonight in the lottery.
Yeah.
I'll do you a deal on them if I win the 180 million.
I suppose everyone will know if we've won the lottery because this won't be uploaded.
Yeah, if we upload this video, we didn't win the lottery.
Yeah.
How about you?
I do like the number, the way they do the number, and
Yeah, so as well, like you say, his number being 63 and everything that Ducati do is 63.
Lamborghini's 63.
I think he maybe it's like a Matrix thing. It was, you know, it's a conspiracy theory that Bagnaia was always going to ride for them. Maybe he was made in a lab.
Like Captain America.
I think Liam's like Captain America.
He looks like it.
He was my size last time I see him. Then he went in a little pod, came out like that.
I fought in World War II.
He did. You fought in World War II.
He changes like a caterpillar, doesn't he? Into a butterfly.
What was the last war you?
Metamorphosis.
What was the last war you fought in?
Korean.
Battle of
I was
Hastings.
just too young, I missed that.
Who was in that? Harold or someone, was it?
Harold?
Was it King Harold? Arrow in the eyeball, was that
Oh,
Battle
they
of
all got an
Hastings?
arrow in the eye, didn't they?
Look at them, they do look nice.
They
don't
look
they?
really nice. Yeah. You also said dry clutch when you're on the other side.
Yeah, I know, because I've got round the other side and said, I hold on, I did go like this. I pointed over and went, oh yeah,
okay.
dry clutch. The dry clutch there, which is covered up. Have we got a Bentley coming yet?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got a Bentley coming.
I don't know if it's confirmed.
Have we ordered it? I think we might have ordered a Bentley.
What, Diavel?
Yeah.
That'd be nice, yeah. Liam's
London,
got all the
Diavel.
gen on all these
Yeah,
things. hasn't
that's why Liam's a clever one.
he? Yeah, he's clever.
That's
So
why,
what my wife tells me.
if anyone's got a problem, where do they go?
She tells me.
Does she?
She's probably your therapist.
And you're massive.
I need both those things.
Alright, that's it. That's
That's
cool.
it. We can go back to work now.
You can
can't
go
we?
work now. Oh, what is the time? I've got to go and pick something up.
3:30. You better start working.
Better start.
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Car shop, get some filler, fix that bullet hole in my car.
You got shot at, didn't you?
Yeah, I got shot at 50
Well, let's
caliber
do
bullet.
it now, because, you know, I won't be in, will I?
Yeah,
Carry
he's not
on.
here tomorrow.
No, I've got to rub it all down and stuff. You ain't going to spray it tomorrow, are you?
I won't be in.
Can you come in?
No, you come round for me.
All
I
right.
might have a cup of tea on.
Well, now, it's too hot for tea.
Of
Go
course
and
you
get a
can,
cold
don't
drink.
you, tea?
Go and
That's
get a
what they
nice
say.
lolly.
It is what they say. I understand.
Actually, a nice lolly sounds good.
A nice lolly does sound nice.
Should we go and raid it?
Yeah, come on in. Let's go and raid it.
Oh, they're all having a good old chat. Let's eat while they're chatting.
Let's raid the ice lollies. What do you fancy?
What I fancy, they probably haven't got
What?
strawberry mivvy.
I don't know what that is. Strawberry mivvy?
Yeah.
What is that? Is that like an old-fashioned thing?
It's not old fashioned, it's very popular.
Strawberry mivvy.
Have a look it up, Liam. Oh, what? We're just raiding it. Oh my God. Lucy.
How are we all?
Good. Well, after that,
It's not old fashioned, but look at the pictures.
Have you got any strawberry mivvies?
When did you get that off the ice cream man? When you was at school?
Do
you want a nice lolly, Luke?
Do you want a bit of lolly with the ice? Nah, I'm alright.
No. You've not had a breakfast yet, Luce, but you're having Red Bull.
Yeah.
You happy now?
Be on the way home, Red Bull. Right.
It's not what I wanted.
All right.
He can't deal with artificial flavours at his age.
Solid.
Rock hard.
Solid. We like it rock hard, don't we?
That's better than it
Hey,
being
Luce.
soft, isn't it?